Sorry about the dead camera. Okay, so I got 219 for my first answer under Joey. Now I write down the original top. When you're doing elimination, that's how you do it. And you have your answer for Y. Okay, so we got 3x, and we need to find that product. 4 times 2.19. 8.76, okay. Okay, so subtract. I get 7.17, okay. I divide by 3. .39, okay. So again, when you have these systems, once I get my first answer, I need to plug that answer into the original equation so I'm able to find the other variable. Okay, and the last problem. 2 cars start from one place and drive for the same time. One car averages 70 miles per hour while the other car is whizzing along at 90 miles per hour without being ticketed. If the second car ends up traveling 400 more miles than the first car after the day's over, please approximate the distance each car travels. All right, so there are no units. We're going with the distance, speed, and time. So we got car 1, car 2, and speed, distance, time. Okay, so d over t is speed. And the rest of the formula, d over t is speed, distance, s times t, and time is d divided by s. S times t, d divided by s. Okay, so speed for car 1, well, 70. I know the speeds for both cars, 70 miles per hour and 90 miles per hour. Okay, distance. Distance is just about the miles. Well, you see 400 miles, but there's that more than word, so I don't just put 400. I'm going to put x plus 400, and I'm going to put x. So the faster car is the x plus 400, and that's x. Now, I don't think we're fortunate enough to be able to just put a time quantity because I don't have that. But I do know that they travel for the same time, okay? So these are going to be equal, but I need to put expressions. And I know the time is the distance divided by the speed. So the distance for this car is x, and his speed is 70. The distance for this car is x plus 400, and his speed is 90. All right, so we just need to set these equal. So x over 70 equals x plus 400 over 90. And then we got to use the ABCD method. Okay, so A times B equals C times D. Okay, so A, I've got x, and B, I've got 90. C, I've got x plus 400, and D, I've got 70. Okay. So 1x, by the way, distributive rainbows, both. 1 on this side, well, that's just 90x. And over here, that's 70x. 70 times 1x, and then 70 times 400 is 28,000. Okay, x is on each side. We're going to need to subtract 70x. So 20x equals, because that's 20, 28,000. Divide by 20, divide by 20. And 28,000 divided by 20 is 1,400. Okay, so car number 1 travels 1,400 miles. He must be going cross country or something. And You're like, well, what do I do to find the other one? Guy, use that more than. Okay, how many more than? How many miles? Here's the distance, the miles. We know that that was 1,400, and this is 400 more. So I just add 400. With that more than, we know the second answer is easy to find. It's that first one. So 1,800. Okay. Once again, we know that the x is 1,400, and we take 1,400 plus 400, and that finds the distance for us. Okay.